And then on the side, peekaboo, I see you. So yeah, it has a lot of cut-ins, a lot of peepholes. Hi YouTube, how you're doing? I hope everybody's being great and everybody's being safe out there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber and if you're a new watcher, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave out of this channel. And if you are already a good subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. As you guys can see the title today, it is another styling video. I style a bunch of romper and jumpsuit today. You could wear it to a wedding, to a party, a date on the beach, a girls night out with the girls, or a date with your boo. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you want to see what the styling is all about, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Outfit I'm bringing you guys, most of this outfit that I got, they're mostly from Fashion Nova. Only one is from Shein. So yeah, this is our jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is gorgeous, guys. It is beautiful, it is sexy, and to me it is kind of classy. It is this jumpsuit over there. It is black, okay? It has all these ruffles on the shoulder area, also on the side, and also a very deep V right over here, and it also have a long exposed zipper. This jumpsuit is cute. It doesn't have a pocket. Like I said, it is a jean material. It is very thick and it's black. You can still wear it out on a date. It's not like thick, but it is a jean material. It is a real jean material, really good quality and very good. And again, if I didn't say, it is a flare leg. Y'all know this is a style going on now. Nowadays, it is the flat leg. So yeah, this jumpsuit is tall girl friendly. If you are taller than 5'5", I am 5'5", so you will be able to wear this with a beautiful heel. And if you want to wear it with flats, if that's your style, that's still okay. So but this is really cute. It does have this little detail right here on the stomach area. This jumpsuit is really cute. It is really cute on me, and I'm so glad I got it. It's a nice wedding kind of outfit, a birthday party, a girls night out. You could wear this, you know, something really cute and really nice. I really like this. Very cute, very nice. If they say sexy, nah, this is what they call sexy, because it is sexy. I can't even say anything. I have to show you guys what it really look like. I can't describe it other than it is sexy. It is another jumpsuit, okay, and it's black also. I know it's hot outside, but we could still make black work, okay? We could still make black work in this hot weather. Especially us that is in Texas. I'm sorry, but I would still wear this out. I'm sorry. It's not like you're wearing it out all day. You wear it at night, which is a little bit cooler. So yeah. So without further ado, let me show y'all. I know you guys are looking at it like, oh, what's she showing? It shows nothing right now. But once I pop it up on the video, you'll see over here or over there, you guys will see the video. This is cute. It is literally cut out everywhere. Like, you guys see, it's another V-neck. It is V-neck over here, and it has this little peekaboos over here. And then on the side, peekaboo, I see you. So yeah, it has a lot of cut-ins, a lot of peepholes, a lot of things going on it. The problem I have with this is it fit me perfectly from here down because it's a medium, but my top is so small that it didn't fit very well. So you guys will see in the video, I did have on my bra with this, and I'm happy with the fact that I have my bra on with it. So you could wear a nice bralette under this if you're not comfortable just letting your girls hang. Wear nice boob tape. But the thing about if you wear boob tape with this part right here is not giving you a lot of material. So if you have a boob tape on, it's going to show what kind of boob tape you have on. So the best bet to go with this is a to go commando or wear a bralette under. I would prefer to wear a nice little bralette under this to make it look cute. But the way I wore it, I just wore my regular bra with it, and I think it is still cute and it's still sexy. So I really like this, and it also have a good zipper on at the zipper at the back, and it's very tapered at the leg. Okay, very tapered at the leg, so it's really cute. I think I have a black purse and a red shoe with this one. That's how I style it, guys. Don't forget to go in the comment section, let me know how you guys will style this, and let me know which one I style best also in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Just hit that notification, that subscribe button right over there, and also the notification bell. All right, so yeah, this is this jumpsuit right here. It is really cute and really nice, and you could go, same way I said, you could go on a date. You can wear this to a wedding. Don't wear it to anybody's wedding, okay? This is this is a date night with your boo, with your girlfriend, with your husband, with your wife, with your boyfriend, whatever it is. You could wear this. Really, really cute. It does have a little bit of give on the side, and it does have quite a lot of stretch. I think if I've gone for a small, actually would have fit perfectly well, but I'm still okay with the medium. Tops all, I'll take it to the tailor and they will help me, like, you know, take some inches off of the side. But I really like this. It's really cute and it's really sexy. Okay guys, another jumpsuit also from Fashion Nova. All this outfit, I've had them for a while in my closet. Y'all know last year we barely went anywhere, but this year I plan on going out. I plan on going on dates. I plan on going out with my girls. I plan on doing a lot of things this summer, so I'm ready. So this other jumpsuit is, it's pretty thick, kind of thick, khaki kind of material, but it's very gorgeous. You could also wear this to a wedding. This is really cute. You could wear this to a wedding, dance your life away and all that, because you have a wedding coming up. Invite your girl. I got a closet full of outfits. I need to wear it somewhere, okay? But yeah, this is this one right here. This jumpsuit is really cute. It has like 3 tones on it, like this green khaki. This is green. I don't know if it's coming up as green here on the video. It's green, and this is like a tan color, like a tan yellow kind of color, and it has a little bit of brown on the side. But yeah, this is what this is. This is so cute and so gorgeous. Really cute. I got all the jumpsuits in a medium, so yeah, really cute. It has this little fake pocket thingy on the side over there, and this is what the back look like. The back also have a fake pocket thingy, but it does have an actual pocket on the side, which makes it look really cute and really sexy. This is really nice. Just don't, if you are trying to be conservative, you could button the whole thing up, but if not, you could just button like the little 3 at the bottom. I think that's what I did. I buttoned the little 3 at the bottom, and I let the chest part open a little bit. But yeah, it does have a collar over here. This is really cute, but the problem is the leg is not all that tapered. So, but it's still cute. It's not like, it's not gonna be all tight and huggy to your ankle, but it's really cute and really nice when you put it on and you style it, looking really good. And this is the sleeve over here, looking really cute and really nice. I do really like this. And again, it has this, I don't know if I should call it a belt or whatever. It's supposed to enter into this little space right here and come out from this side, but almost it came out, and I can't, it takes me forever to put it back in, so I just put it on and just tie it on the button it up on the other side, but it still came out looking cute. This is, okay, yeah guys, this is the true color of the outfit. You guys see it better right now. So this is like a gray material, and this is some kind of a golden yellow somewhat, or something like that. And yeah, so cute and so nice. Pretty thick, but you can still wear it out and have fun with it. Okay guys, the next 2 outfits are going to be a romper. So this romper also is from Fashion Nova. I've been stalking this romper for over a year on their website because I really like this romper, and whenever they say they bring it back on stock and they notify me, before I go back to buy it, it's like sold out again in my size. Like, why now? You don't sell it. Why would you guys just be selling something off you know, like that. I wish I got the small. I couldn't get the small because the small was sold out, so I got the medium. It was a little bit big on my waist and on my chest area, but we could make it work. There's nothing we can't make work on this channel. So this is this romper right over here. It is a cream color romper. It has this flare thingy over here on the top part. So it has this thing right here that covers your back a little bit because the back is literally open, and it has a deep V also on the chest area. You could wear a boot tip with it, and because you can't wear your regular bra with it. If you wear a regular bra with it, it's going to show on the back. But yeah, so this is what this one looks like. You could wear a boob tape, brassy bra with this one, a regular boob tape or whatever. You could wear that with this one, and it will look really cute. It has this crunchiness on the back area and the waist area over here, and it does also come with a belt. You could take this belt off and put your own belt with it, and it has 3 buttons over on the top area over here. So yeah, this is what this one is looking like. It is a romper, like I said earlier, and it looks like it's kind of fake wrap, full wrap right here on the front area. So yeah, this is really cute. I really like this. I'm in love with this. Really cute and really nice. Alright guys, the last outfit that I have is another romper. This one I styled as in you're on a vacation and you're going out on an evening night with your bae or your girls. You guys are just going out on the beach to go have some good old fun, go out and have fun. So I styled up somewhat of that, but you could style it up in any way you think it is good for you. So this is from Shein, but it's from Simply. I think that, yeah, it's from Simply on Shein. It's another brand, I guess, on Shein that is there. So it is this nice little romper right here. It has all this flower all over it. It has this flower. It's a white background, so it might wash out a little bit, but you guys will see it on me when I try it on. The video will probably be here or here. Anyway, you guys will see it. I know it's small, nothing on my hand right now, but when you guys see the video, it is such a beautiful romper. You guys somebody will not even know you have it on a romper until you probably told them you have on a romper because it looks like a dress. So the back is pretty open. It has the string over here that you use to tie it. You tie it as tight as you want. You cannot wear a bra with this either. You either wear your brassy bra, boot tape, or whatever it is that you want to wear, you wear with it. And it also have this little flare over here on the chest area. It is really cute. This blue leaves and flowers on it, blue, green, so you can wear like a green shoe or green purse with this, or blue shoe, blue purse, clear heel, clear purse, a tan or whatever it is. I think I wore a tan, a clear heels with this, with a chunky heel. So yeah, this is what this one is looking like. Really cute and really sexy. I think they're really nice. Hey guys, I bring us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. So guys, go in the comment section. Don't forget to leave me which one you like better, which one you're copying for yourself, and let me know if you guys want the link to any of this outfit. I will try as much as possible to put them in the description box, but if you guys don't see there, just send me a message and I'll send it to you directly. Other than that, that's the end of this video. Okay guys, I will see you guys on the next upload. Remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.